Hello, and welcome to another Joyful Tune-In. This is Kenji, and today we're going to do one of your favorite topics, past lives. Now, it doesn't matter if you consciously believe that they exist or not, but realize all of us have lived many lifetimes here on Earth, many lifetimes in other places and dimensions on other planets and star systems. And since all of us are very ancient as far as time goes, we've had many sojourns. And part of the idea of learning from past lives is so that you can heal whatever prior traumas that were incomplete at that time. So remember that your early childhood patterns are generally a reflection of past life patterns, and everything that you chose to master in this lifetime, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually, and physically, is a carryover from the past, and you came to bring all of that to completion, and it's generally reflected in your early childhood situations and your relationship with your parents or those that raised you. So generally, all is reflected within the first 7 or 8 years of your life. They also carry into your Saturn returns, your midlife crisis, and your dark night of the soul episodes. So let's come into this now moment, take a deep breath, come into center and focus, ground with the new earth, let go of the day, let go of everything that's going on in the world. Going to call in your high self, your guardian angels. Calling in your council of light. We're going to ask you now to activate the purple band in your aura. Your aura has many, many colors, hues, and tones, way beyond the physical dimension. So imagine that you have primarily 144 different colors. So there's a purple band in your auric field that represents and carries your past life information and memories, as does your Akashic records. But for now, we're going to just tune into the purple. I'm going to imagine that you are becoming surrounded in purple. This beautiful purple light is very translucent, crystalline in nature, iridescent, illuminating. And imagine now that you're going to bring awareness into the very core of this purple band, and you're going to symbolically travel into the past or ask to be taken to a past life that is deeply reflected in your current situation in your life on the earth here. You might feel like you're traveling through a tunnel of light, and all of a sudden you will appear in a scene from your past. You're going to look at your feet and notice your feet, and if you're wearing shoes or not. And then you're going to look at the rest of your body and notice what kind of clothing you have on, and then the surrounding environment and the people that are in this scene. And as if you are watching a movie play out in neutrality, you are grokking the essence of this past life relationship and connection. And you're going to bring this awareness back into your present time here, back in your physical body. So travel back to your body on this purple band of light, back into your body. Take a deep breath, stay in the here and now, reground with the new earth. Now, you can do a long version of this in your meditation or before you go to sleep at night in a nice meditative state and really get into the dynamics of that relationship and that person or people that is relating to your current situation of where you are asking for healing and resolution emotionally, psychologically, spiritually, energetically. So this is one way to tune in to your past life that is affecting your current situation. So let's take another deep breath, come into the now moment, let that go for now. You can revisit this at any time, knowing that it's all very simple. So thank you for tuning in, and know that when you do your past life healings, that they really are healings, and that will affect your present state of mind and state of being. All is good. Use the power of forgiveness if you need to. The power of love. You'll know what to do. All will become apparent and obvious. So thank you for tuning in. Have a great day. And until next time, many blessings.